Can you see this? I hope you can. My dome light was literally what was holding my headliner up. Okay, so we're back at our house now. There are multiple videos on doing this, so I'm probably not going to get into great detail about it. But from everything I've seen, besides the fabric as well, this is all you're supposedly going to need. No, seriously, you gotta check out this hammer. Got it from Walmart. Kids riding their quad fast. But anyways, like $1 at Walmart. You can unscrew it right in the middle here. Check this out. Flathead screwdriver. Phillips. But wait, there's more. You got a tiny Phillips. This tiny little Phillips guy. I thought it was pretty cool for $1. I mean, and since we moved in here, I still haven't brought my tools over, so it's the only tools I have right now. But so it kind of saved me. But anyways, let me hop in the car. I'll show you everything that supposedly needs to be taken off to get this out. Okay, so I'm sure this is terrible lighting and you probably aren't gonna see shit, but on your little mirrors here, there are three, yeah, you can't see shit. Anyways, there's 3 T15 Torx screws. Okay, now that that's done, as you can see, there are supposed to be 2 little plugs right here. There's, if you can see it, possibly. There's a Phillips screw, one on each side there, that you'll have to take out so that you can pull this back and get your little side pillar pieces off of here to be able to pop it out. The last piece that I know of that you actually have to take off and out is your little light here, your little dome light. So from what I heard, you can stick a flathead screwdriver up in here and pop the this little piece off, and then there are supposed to be 2 Phillips head screws up in there that you have to take out, and you should be able to pull that out. I ended up taking off both of my front pillars just to make it a little easier to get to. If I could have easily taken off the back ones, I would have done the same, but the seatbelt ran through them. And you have to rip this bad boy off here. This was up at the front, just like that, laying across there. And that had your lines right here. You can't hardly see shit, but that had your lines running, you know, to hook up your lights to your mirror that we unplugged, and your little plug-in for your dome light. Anyways, now I can flip this over, peel the fabric off there, what's left to peel off. Okay, that went quicker than I thought. ton of imperfections in this, but doing it by myself, that's what you get, I guess. In honor of my new headliner that I put in, I wanted to give this little guy away once I get to 50 subscribers. Leave a comment on this video to let me know that you're a subscriber, you know, so that I know you're active on my channel. And once I get to 50 subscribers, I will do a little random drawing of anybody that has commented on this video that they're a subscriber. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, if you like this video, if it was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Leave a comment below, of course, for the pop socket. Love these things. And to just give me any ideas you've got for future videos or whatever. And please, please, please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Have a good day.